Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to add WiseCard to Google Pay. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now to link your WiseCard with Google Pay using the Wise app, follow the following steps. Launch the Wise app on your mobile device and navigate to the card tab, displaying a list of your accessible cards. Choose the specific Wise card you intend to add and select the Add to GPay option. Now, alternatively, if you prefer to add your Wise card to Google Pay through the Google Wallet app, adhere to the following steps. Now, open the Google Wallet app on your device, locate the Add to Wallet option situated at the bottom of the screen, and choose Payment Card and opt for New Credit or Debit Card. Proceed by either scanning your Wise card or manually inputting the card details. Now, following the ensuing steps to complete the verification process for your Wise card. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.